shooting this video because I just sold one of my Uuni 3s. I upgraded to Uuni Pro. This is a video that I need to show my buddy. I won't mention his name, and he wanted to come over here, but he's hurt. So I thought I'd shoot a video. I only got one dough that I am proofing. It's been proofing now for 2 hours. So it should be ready. I get some flour. Flour is key when you're handling dough. You want to spread some on your board that you're working with. And you want to put some on the dough itself. Just have my spatula. You always want to spread it out. You want to, the dough got to be kind of room temperature so you could spread it out with the bubbles out. And then eat out the bubbles. The key is also the oven, getting those stones hot. That my oven's been warming up now for a half hour. I don't like to take any chances. And then I just spread out the dough. The dough's still kind of chill. I'm losing daylight here, so I want you to hurry up. I like a New Haven style pizza. That's a thin crust pizza. Function, the camera died on us. I got my daughter, who's supposed to be the pro at YouTubing. The camera died, the battery. So now I got some nice sauce here. I'm gonna put that in the middle. And spoon it out. I like a little bit more sauce. We got the cheese. This is a low moisture mozzarella cheese. Got pepperoni. Here's the bacon. I like to put like raw bacon and stuff because the oven's 900 degrees, so it will cook. You cut it in little pieces. The bacon. This is the chicken sausage I told you about. This is kind of hard, so you gotta just place it down. I gutted the sausage and I took the contents out of it so I could get the nice seasoned sausage, chicken sausage out of there. This goes in little droplets too so it can cook in the oven. Now this is the trick. I learned this. Like that. And you shimmy it, and let's walk over. Right there, can you look at the coals? Right there. Keep it in. I got my charcoal and my wood chips. I like using hickory wood chips. And let's see how long that would take. Coming out nice. Coming out nice. We'll give it a couple of seconds to calm down before we cut it and taste. 2 seconds over, we're gonna cut it into it. Look at that, that looks nice. Before I do all those, the bottom is nice